to another unboxing. Today we are looking at the Sony WH-1000XM4 noise cancelling headphones in midnight blue. This already came out earlier, but the midnight blue color just came recently, so it's a new model. It has 360 reality audio, Google Assistant, Alexa built-in, high-res audio wireless, 30 hours battery life with Bluetooth and noise cancelling. On the back we see instructions on how to use the touch-sensitive ear cups, which you can use to fast forward, pick up a call, or increase or decrease the volume. It also comes in a practical hard case, which you can use to store your phones and the charging cable while you put it in your backpack. This will be charged by Type-C cable. It also includes a cable for the headphones, so in case you don't want to use wireless, and also a plug adapter for going on the plane. In 10 minutes charge you can play up to 5 hours. It has hands-free calling with HD voice and music playback time with noise cancelling up to 30 hours and without noise cancelling up to 38 hours. It has also NFC, Sense Engine, LDAC and DSEE Extreme. Here it says Sony designed HD noise cancelling processor QN1 for high performance noise cancellation and high quality audio, and C Optimizer tailors noise cancelling performance based on your wearing condition and the atmospheric pressure. DSEE Extreme uses AI technology to accurately upscale your compressed music. Just start talking to activate speak to chat and have a conversation without taking your headphones off. Automatic pause and resume with wearing detection. Alright, so let's unpack the headphones. It also says made for iPhone, iPod and an Android logo. It's a nice box. You just slide it to take it out. Even the box is in blue. I didn't expect that. So not only the headphones are in blue color, but also the case is in blue color. So this is the easy setup guide. First they tell you to download the app and power on your headphones and connect via the app. Let's do that later because I'm recording with the phone. So let's see what's in the box. In the box it's the hard case and some quick startup guides, user guides. Oh, it's a complete user guide. It's not just a quick startup guide. And you get a free trial of 360 reality audio. It's for 3 months trial. After that it's paid. So these are the headphones. The case is very nice. It also has a loop in case you want to attach it to your backpack or hold it with your fingers. On the back there's a net. You can put the cables inside or some kind of documentation. And when you open it, oh, even the zipper has its own compartment over here, so it won't be dangling around. Even the handle of the zipper is embossed with the Sony logo. The color is really nice. It's dark blue. The exterior is some kind of a tissue, so it's not rubber or plastic. Rubber or plastic might be the case to keep the shape, but on top of it is some kind of cotton material. These are the headphones. inside is also softer, and it comes with a divider over here, you can see, and also the cables. This is the audio cable, also a charging cable. A short one is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and also the airplane plug adapter. The earphones, they look very well made. You can see the indication for the right ear cup is red and the left is blue, and paper to show how you put the phones in the case. So the right one is at the bottom and the left one is at the top, like this. This is quite smooth compared to this part, and the headband is also well padded, and the headphones seem quite light. On the exterior you find several buttons. This is probably the on-off button, and this is a custom button you probably can set in the Sony app. And over here is to insert the audio cable, and on the right cup is the USB-C charging port, and they feel very light. Both ear cups can twist inside. Unlike the Bose QC30, which I had previously, only one side could twist in, but the Sony's, both sides can twist in to put it into the hard case. This is how it looks when I put them on. They feel very light, lighter than I would think. And they fit my ears, although my ears are quite big, and they are really comfortable to wear. It has some passive noise cancelling because it's a closed over the ear headphone, but I didn't switch it on yet. When I put them on like this, they are very comfortable, and the size is also very good. You can adjust the top band, and it feels very light. It's not heavy at all, and very comfortable on the ear without any pressure. This was the unboxing of the Midnight Blue Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless noise cancelling headphones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. I ended up by returning them because when I wear them for a couple of hours at a time, they pressed a bit too much against my ears because they don't have enough indentation inside the ear cups. So after several hours, the ears would be a bit too hurting. You can alleviate the pain if you lift it up for a bit, but if I wear them too long, then they would be aching the ears. And if you wear glasses, the headbands will push on the frame of the glass, so that will also push against your temple. If you need wireless headphones with bigger space for your ears, the only one I know of which doesn't hurt my ear is the Quiet and Comfort 35. Previously I had the Quiet Comfort 30, but they remained the same design, so in case you also need more space for your ears, the Bose QC35 are more comfortable to wear for a long period of time, like several hours at a time. They are even more comfortable than the Bose NC700, which are similar, I assume, similar to the Sony ones, which don't have much space inside the ear cups.